Do you ever get tired and dry eyes after staring at screens all day? Worried it might be hurting your vision? Yeah, us too. But what if there are natural ways to combat eye strain and even improve your eyesight? That's where eye-loving herbs come in. These tiny green superheroes might just be what you need for sharper, healthier eyes. So let's explore the world of vision-boosting herbs. But first, a quick question for you all. Have you ever used any natural remedies for eye strain? I'd love to hear from you, so share your thoughts in the comments below. Number 1. Eyebright. It's not some made-up potion from a fantasy tale. It's a real herb, and people have been using it for centuries to treat eye issues. One way it works is by minimizing inflammation. Inflammation can mess with your eyes, making them all red and irritated. Eyebright contains compounds that calm inflammation. It's like giving your eyes a little spa day. Another thing Eyebright does is it contains antioxidants. Think of them as little superheroes that fight bad stuff called free radicals. These free radicals can mess with your eye cells and cause damage. Antioxidants swoop in and protect those cells, keeping your eyes healthy. As for vision repair, it won't suddenly make you see like Superman, but it will surely help with things like blurry vision caused by eye strain or allergies. By soothing irritation and inflammation, it makes your vision a bit clearer and your eyes feel better overall. Now, how do you take Eyebright? Easy. Brew it into tea, use it in eye drops, or take capsules. Number 2. Ginkgo Biloba. Inside your eyes, there is a part called the retina. It's like the camera film of your eye, capturing all the images you see. This retina needs a good blood supply to stay sharp and focused, but things like aging or poor circulation can sometimes mess with that blood flow. That's where Ginkgo Biloba comes in. It can make sure your blood vessels stay open and clear. When blood flows smoothly, your retina gets all the oxygen and nutrients it needs to keep working like a champ. But that's not all. Ginkgo also has this cool ability to improve nerve function. The eye sends signals to your brain through tiny nerve fibers. If those nerves get worn out or damaged, it can mess with your vision. Ginkgo protects those nerves, keeping your vision signals strong and steady. Oh, and a little tip, consistency is key. Ginkgo works best when you take it regularly, so make it part of your daily routine. Number 3. Fennel. Your eyes have these cells called photoreceptors. They soak up light and send signals to your brain, letting you see the world around you. But for these photoreceptors to function properly, they need a hefty dose of vitamin A. Fennel swoops in with its vitamin A superhero powers. Plus, vitamin A plays a key role in maintaining the surface of your eyes. It keeps them healthy and moist, preventing dryness and irritation. So when staring at screens all day, Fennel can be your eye's best friend, keeping them refreshed and ready for action. And hey, if you're not a fan of munching on fennel bulbs, you can always try incorporating fennel seeds into your meals or brewing fennel tea for a tasty, eye-boosting treat. Number 4. Bilberry. Bilberry is loaded with compounds called anthocyanins. They strengthen your blood vessels and keep them flexible. When your blood vessels are in good shape, they can deliver all the essential stuff your eyes need, like oxygen and nutrients. Plus, Bilberry is a pro at fighting those pesky free radicals that can damage your eye cells. But perhaps the most fascinating thing about Bilberry is its impact on night vision. You know those moments when you're stumbling around in the dark trying to find your way? Well, Bilberry can actually help with that. Studies have shown that regular consumption of Bilberry can improve the eye's ability to adjust to low light conditions, making it easier to see in the dark. And the best part? It's super easy to make part of your everyday routine. You can snack on fresh bilberries, take them in supplement form, or even whip up a tasty bilberry smoothie. Number 5. Coleus. Coleus contains this awesome compound called forskolin. This little guy works wonders by boosting something called cyclic adenosine monophosphate, CAMP, in your body. When CAMP levels get a boost from forskolin, a chain reaction starts that leads to the relaxation of the muscles around your eyes. This relaxation reduces strain and fatigue, giving your eyes a well-deserved break after a long day of screen staring. Coleus even plays a role in protecting eyes from age-related decline. As we age, our eyes become more vulnerable to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. However, studies suggest that Coleus's antioxidant properties reduce these threats, keeping your vision clear and sharp in your golden years. And here's the best part, Coleus is not just effective, but also delicious. You can incorporate this powerhouse herb into your daily routine in all sorts of ways, from brewing up a fragrant cup of Coleus tea to adding a sprinkle of Coleus extract to your favorite dishes. The options are endless. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is good at fighting inflammation. Remember how inflammation can turn your eyes into red, irritated messes? Well, turmeric steps in to calm things down. It's like a soothing balm for your eyes, reducing swelling and making them feel all comfy cozy again. It also encourages the body to make more protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is like a superhero for your brain and eyes. It supports the growth and survival of neurons, including those responsible for vision. So by boosting BDNF levels, curcumin keeps your vision signals strong and steady, ensuring that your eyes function at their best. So next time you're sipping a turmeric latte or adding a sprinkle of this golden spice to your favorite dish, know that you are not just making your taste buds happy, you're also giving your eyes the superhero treatment they deserve. Number 7. Dandelion. Ever seen those bright yellow dandelions popping up in your garden? Well, it turns out they're not just pretty flowers. They can actually do wonders for your eyes too. Dandelion greens, the leafy parts of the plant, are full of good stuff that can do wonders for your eyes. Inside those vibrant green leaves are nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and supporting overall eye function. For example, vitamin A is super important for good vision, especially when it's dark outside. And vitamin C, well, it's like a shield that protects your eyes from getting weaker as you get older. But that's not all. Dandelion is also what we call a natural diuretic. That's a big word that basically means it helps your body get rid of extra fluids. So if you ever have woken up with puffy eyes, dandelion can come to the rescue. By flushing out those extra fluids, it reduces puffiness and keeps your eyes looking bright and fresh. So the next time you spot a dandelion in your yard, don't be so quick to dismiss it. Embrace its vibrant beauty and nourishing properties. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 8. Golden seal. Eyes have this super thin layer called the cornea. It's like a protective shield, keeping your eyes safe from dirt, germs, and other nasty stuff. But sometimes this shield can get damaged, leaving your eyes vulnerable. Enter golden seal. This herb is packed with powerful compounds that repair and strengthen that delicate cornea. Golden seal also contains a unique and powerful compound, berberine. It's like the star player in eye drops made to fight an infection called trachoma. Trachoma makes your eyes swollen and red because of a bacteria called Chlamydia trachomatis. How does it do this? Well, berberine messes with the bacteria's ability to do important stuff like making DNA and proteins. Without these functions, the bacteria can't survive. Now here's the important part. These berberine-packed eye drops are specially made to treat trachoma. DIY? Nope, it's not a good idea. Always seek guidance from healthcare professionals before putting anything in your eyes. Safety first for the best results and no unintended harm. Number 9. Milk thistle. Inside your eyes, there is this fluid called aqueous humor. It's essential for maintaining the right pressure and providing essential nutrients. But sometimes junk can build up, causing pressure to spike and your vision to blur. Milk thistle swoops in and helps with the efficient drainage of aqueous humor, ensuring that pressure stays in check. It's like a refreshing detox for your eyes, clearing away the debris and restoring clarity. Now remember those photoreceptors we talked about earlier? They're like the stars of the show when it comes to vision, but they're super sensitive and can get damaged easily. Milk thistle's got your back here too. It's like a shield, protecting those precious photoreceptors from harm. Studies even show that milk thistle extract can actually protect the retina, the part of your eye that is crucial for clear vision. It's available in capsules and extracts, or you can make milk thistle tea. Just a simple step each day, and you're on your way to a sharper, healthier vision. Number 10. Saffron. Inside your eyes, there's this part called the macula. It's like the high-definition center of your vision, helping you see fine details. Now, over time, things like age or exposure to blue light from screens can cause damage to the cells in the macula. Saffron is loaded with compounds called carotenoids. One of these carotenoids is crocin, which helps protect those precious cells in the macula from harm. It's like putting a shield around them, keeping them safe from the wear and tear of everyday life. Saffron also contains another carotenoid called saffronol. This little powerhouse helps improve blood flow to your eyes. Remember how we talked about the importance of a good blood supply for healthy vision? Well, saffronol ensures that your eyes get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay sharp and focused. And the best part? Saffron is super versatile. You can add it to all sorts of dishes, from savory rice dishes to sweet desserts. Number 11, grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract supports something called collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds your eye tissues together. As we age, collagen levels can drop, leading to weaker eye structures. But grapeseed extract helps boost collagen production, keeping your eyes structurally sound and less prone to issues like blurry vision. Now let's talk about its role in reducing eye fatigue. We've all experienced those days when our eyes just feel tired and achy, especially after hours of staring at screens. Well, grapeseed extract alleviates that discomfort by promoting relaxation and reducing muscle strain around the eyes. Oh, and before I forget, there's some cool research backing up grapeseed extract's benefits for eye health. Studies have shown that regular supplementation with grapeseed extract can improve visual performance, reduce eye fatigue, and even offer protection against age-related vision decline, ensuring that your eyes stay sharp and focused for years to come. Number 12, rosemary. Let's talk about cataracts. It occurs when the proteins in your eye lens start to clump together, clouding your vision. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in rosemary prevent the oxidative damage that contributes to cataract formation. By neutralizing those damaging free radicals, rosemary keeps your lenses clear and your vision sharp. Rosemary also plays an important role in preventing or slowing down the progression of diabetic retinopathy. This condition occurs in people with diabetes and is characterized by damage to the blood vessels in the retina, leading to vision impairment or even blindness. A study published in the journal Nutrients indicates that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosemary prevent the inflammatory processes and oxidative stress that contribute to diabetic retinopathy, thereby preserving retinal function and vision. Plus, it's super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can sprinkle it on roasted veggies, brew it into tea, or even infuse it into olive oil for a flavorful salad dressing. Number 13, astragalus. Inside your eyes, there are these tiny cells called retinal ganglion cells. They're like messengers, sending signals from your eyes to your brain so you can make sense of what you see. Now, over time, these cells can start to wear out, just like an old battery losing its charge. Astragalus protects and nourishes these cells. Astragalus also contains compounds called saponins and flavonoids. They work together to keep your cells healthy and make sure the blood vessels around your eyes work well. By helping the blood flow better, astragalus makes sure your eyes get plenty of oxygen and nutrients. This keeps them strong and working their best, even when you're busy with everyday activities. And here's another cool thing about astragalus: it's great for your immune system. The immune system is your body's defense against infections and illnesses, including those that can affect your eyes. Astragalus gives your immune system extra power to keep your body, including your eyes, safe from germs and sickness. Number 14, calendula. Our eyes are constantly exposed to environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation, which can damage the delicate tissues and cells in our eyes. Calendula is full of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide the building blocks your eyes need to repair and regenerate damaged cells, keeping your vision clear and vibrant. And let's not forget about its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the root cause of many eye issues, from dryness and irritation to more serious conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. By calming inflammation, calendula helps create a healthier environment for your eyes to thrive, reducing the risk of long-term damage and promoting overall eye wellness. Here's a little fun fact about calendula. In ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians and Greeks, calendula was not only prized for its therapeutic benefits, but also used in rituals and ceremonies to honor the sun, which was believed to give the flower its healing energy. Number 15, witch hazel. Witch hazel is not just for skincare, it's also great for your eyes. This natural astringent has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that help your eyes feel better when they are red, puffy, or irritated. This makes it really good for making your tired or strained eyes feel better. You can make a gentle witch hazel eye compress by soaking a clean cloth or cotton pad in witch hazel and putting it on your closed eyes for a bit. The cool, refreshing sensation will help reduce inflammation and leave your eyes feeling revitalized. But wait, there's more. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you can go for Witch Hazel eye drops. These handy drops offer quick and easy relief. So whether you're dealing with eye fatigue, allergies, or minor irritations, Witch Hazel is a natural remedy that can keep your eyes looking and feeling their best. So there you have it! The world of eye-loving herbs is pretty awesome and full of ways to help your eyes feel better. From Eyebright's soothing vibes to Ginkgo Biloba's circulation boost and Bilberry's antioxidant punch, these little heroes are here to rescue your eyes from the screen-staring blues and everyday stress. But it's not just about fixing things now, it's about looking out for your future vision too. By adding these eye-loving herbs to your daily routine, you're not just treating problems, you're taking care of your eyes for the long haul. So why not give them a shot? Whether it's sipping on some herbal tea, tossing a few herbs into your meals, or trying out some natural supplements, there are loads of easy ways to bring these vision-boosting buddies into your life. And hey, don't forget to share your own experiences with natural remedies in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to see a world through brighter, clearer eyes. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!